Kind of slow here. There it goes. Kind of slow here. All right. You are Christopher Cuervo.
Yes, Your Honor.
Raise your right hand, sir. Solemnly swear affirm testimony you may give in this matter be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes,
All right. You can put your hand down. Are you a U.S. citizen, sir?
yes, Your Honor.
Charged with the offense of driving while intoxicated with a .15 below or above, alleged to have occurred February 9th, 2019 in El Paso County, Texas. To those charges, sir, how do you plead, guilty or not guilty?
Guilty.
Any priors, Mr. Silva?
No, Your Honor. There's no priors.
All right, that being the case, the court will follow the state's recommendation, find you guilty, sentence you to a year in jail, probated for 15 months. You're to pay a $500 fine, $30 a month supervision fee, a $15 video fee, a $60 lab fee. You're to complete 80 hours of community service, be subject to breath and urine analysis, have a 9 p.m. to 6 a.m. curfew where you can't be out unless you're working or going to school. You're to attend DWI school, victim impact panel, have the camera interlock installed on your vehicle. You're not to drive anything that does not have that device installed, be screened through TAP, and reimburse El Paso County for court costs. Anything further, counsel?
Nothing further from the state, Your Honor.
Nothing from the defense. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, you may be excused. Thank you.
Thank you all.
Police Center, do we have anybody else there?
We're good to go.
You're done.
You done?
Hi, Your Honor, Mr. Barnes here.
Okay, I don't have his lawyer yet. I have the lawyer for Jorge Salcedo.
Mr. Salcedo's not here yet.
All right, we'll wait a little while.
Sure.
What's tomorrow looking like, Omar?
We have plea deals on every case, Your Honor.
Oh, okay. Get some pleas out.
Yes, Your Honor.
I was telling Glenn and Rihanna last week that last month's numbers were outstanding. Thank you for your effort in that.
Well, it's a team effort, Your Honor. I mean, it's
Yes, it is.
so, but Ariana did tell me the good.
Yeah,
Good
they
news.
were really outstanding. Even Amy emailed me about that. Yes, you all did excellent work.
Thank you, Your Honor. And we're going to try to keep that up.
Good deal. We had been kind of lagging behind a little bit. So we were catching up.
But usually, the months of November and December, they tend to slow down, right? Because of the holidays and week.
Right, right. I used to say that I don't like to try anything between Thanksgiving and Christmas, so you had to make them all go away. But there's been a few DAs that forced me to trial during that period.
I'll try to work everything out.
Okay. Yeah, that's a jolly season. Everybody's getting ready.
Yeah.
The holidays and
Just some defense counsels don't want to They just want to go to trial. So hopefully we'll resolve everything. If not, we'll be ready, Your Honor.
All right, there's Ms. Solis. Let me have Mr. Barnes, please.
Barnes.
Good morning, Araceli.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Your client is already there, so we're getting ready to start here.
Okay, Judge.
Court calls the case of the state of Texas versus Juan Barnes, cause number 2020-C03960.
Yes.
This proceeding is being heard in reference to and in compliance with the emergency orders of the Texas Supreme Court and the Court of Criminal Appeals under various miscellaneous docket numbers regarding the COVID-19 state of disaster, the guidance issued by the Office of Court Administration and the El Paso Council of Judges statement to the attorneys of the El Paso Bar in response to coronavirus. May I have an announcement of counsel?
Omar Silva for the state. We're ready to proceed, Your Honor.
Araceli Solis on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor, we're ready.
You are Juan Barnes.
Yes.
Raise your right hand, sir. Solemnly swear affirm testimony you may give in this matter be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God. Are you a U.S. citizen, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Charge, Mr. Silva, I understand this was a DWI second and you dropped it to a Class B DWI. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Charged with the offense of driving while intoxicated, alleged to have occurred January 19th, 2019 in El Paso County, Texas. To those charges, Mr. Barnes, how do you plead, guilty or not guilty?
Guilty?
Or any other priors other than the enhancement?
No, Your Honor.
Okay, the court will follow the state's recommendation, find you guilty, sentence you to 180 days, probated for 12 months. You're to pay a $500 fine, $30 a month supervision fee, complete 70 hours of community service, be subject to breath and urine analysis, a 9 p.m. to 6 a.m. curfew where you can't be out unless you're working or going to school, DWI school for repeat offenders, victim impact panel, camera interlock plus court costs. And because you have 2 DWI convictions within 5 years, Mr. Barnes, you will need to have the camera interlock on, whether you're on probation or not, for 1 year after your license is reinstated. DPS should be sending you a letter telling you your license is suspended from this day to this day. You'll need to keep that letter when you approach us about the removal order for the interlock. Anything further, counsel?
Nothing further from the state, Your Honor.
Nothing further, Your Honor.
Okay, you may be excused.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Silva.
Thank you. Have a great day.
You
All right.
too.
I'll be ready.
I know we're getting close to Halloween, but
What is
trying to-
that?
I think they left the door open.
You there? Sí, me explicaron que era como weird, ¿verdad? Como la cualquier, ¿no? Pues está aquí. Camera. Yeah, come here. Oh. Do you see yourself up there?
Yes, sir.
Oh, hi.
Yeah, yes.
Yeah, you know, you're good. Just give it a minute. You see your lawyer up there?
Would somebody contact Mr. Underwood, please? He dropped out of the waiting room.
Yes, Judge, I'll call.
Thank you.
Okay. Voy a hablar a tu lawyer. Yeah. Déjame dar un minuto.
There he is. Mr. Aguilar, are you ready?
I am, Your Honor. I'm on time, right? Or
Yes, that's fine.
and
I know
and
somebody from your office was in the waiting room, then they dropped off.
no, I think it was Justin, Judge. He's been meaning to say hello to you. He sends his regards, Your Honor. I know he hasn't seen you in a
Oh,
while.
I'm sorry. I thought he was waiting for the case, so I didn't let him in because your client just arrived now.
Yes, ma'am.
But give him my best as well.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, court calls the case of the state of Texas versus Jorge Saucedo, cause number 2020-C07360. This proceeding is being heard in reference to and in compliance with the emergency orders of the Texas Supreme Court and the Court of Criminal Appeals under various miscellaneous docket numbers regarding the COVID-19 state of disaster, the guidance issued by the Office of Court Administration and the El Paso Council of Judges statement to the attorneys of the El Paso Bar in response to coronavirus. May I have announcement of council, please?
Good morning, Your Honor. Omar Silva for the state. We're ready to proceed.
And Daniel Avalar for Jorge Saucedo. Good morning, Judge.
Good morning. You are Jorge Saucedo?
Yes, Your Honor.
Raise your right hand, sir. Solemnly swear affirm testimony you may give in this matter be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes, Your Honor. What I say?
Pardon?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, you can put your hand down. Are you a U.S. citizen, Mr. Saucedo?
Yes. Yes.
Charged with the offense of driving while intoxicated, alleged to occur June 28th, 2020 in El Paso County, Texas. To those charges, sir, how do you plead, guilty or not guilty?
Guilty.
Any priors, Mr. Silva?
Your Honor, no prior DWIs. However, the defendant does have a prior of burglary and habitation in 2006, possession in 2007, and manufacture and deliver in 2012.
And what was the blow or blood draw?
0.063.
All right. The court will follow the state's recommendation, find you guilty, Mr. Saucedo, sentence you to 180 days in jail, probated for 10 months. You're to pay a $750 fine, $30 a month supervision fee, a $60 lab fee, $15 video fee, 70 hours of community service, breath and urine analysis, a 9 p.m. to 6 a.m. curfew where you can't be out unless you're working or going to school. You're to attend the victim impact panel and DWI school and reimburse El Paso County for court costs. Did you have a question, sir?
Yes, I have talked to my attorney that I signed the plea and it was gonna be 10 months.
Right.
So
It's
now-
180 days, probated for 10 months.
Okay, yes, I agree with that. I was under the limit, but I agree with that because I was intoxicated under the limit. Well, even though I thought you said 180 days in jail. That's why.
That's the underlying sentence. If you are ever revoked, that's the most I can sentence you to in jail.
Okay, sorry about that. Okay.
All right. Anything further, counsel?
Sorry. Okay, no, I agree.
Okay.
I agree.
Nothing further from the state, Your Honor.
And nothing from the defense, Judge.
Okay, then everybody may be excused. I'll see everybody back at 10:30.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.